Bosque House by No Arquitetura in JUIZ de Fora, Brazil. In the highest part of the city, on a steep slope, overlooking the sea of hills of Minas Gerais, Brazil, lies Casa Bosque. A metallic spyglass, with discrete proportions and soft materiality, houses a compact and objective residential program. The design idea is born from minimal intervention on the landscape, creating a respectful and intelligent dialogue with the local exuberant nature. A house that adapts to the land, not the other way around. It is also possible to understand the house as two concrete platforms and an aerial bar, permeated by voids, vegetation, light and few support points. The residence has 3 levels. The ground floor organizes an uncovered garage and functions as a kind of access square. The first floor hovers gently over the ground floor, with an internal garden, living room, kitchen, 2 large suites, toilet, and a large balcony as a kitchen extension. Finally, on a lower level, there is laundry, a gym, an office, and a gazebo with a bathtub. A short but effective palette of materials defines the design: concrete, natural stones, steel, glass, and brick. The latter, in turn, is responsible for covering the entire main facade with unusual pagination, ensuring extreme privacy and visual provocation. Last but not least, among the trees, in one of the corners of the lot, there is, in addition to winding stone paths, a brazier, a fire pit to warm up on cold days, and in summer as a barbecue area, cooking directly on the coals. Casa Bosque is a peaceful exercise but full of sensitive and interesting structural, material, and spatial nuances.